Greetings, my name is Nur Adriana binti Nazlia and I'm from Faculty Biotechnology and Biomolecular Science and I'm taking Bachelor Science of Microbiology with Honours. And for my pecah-pecah, I'll be talking about the bacteria that I adopt, which is Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus. So firstly, I'll be talking about the discovery of the Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus. Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus was first isolated near a petrol refinery in the Mediterranean Sea, and it was identified and described in 1992 by Goodyear. The characteristic of Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus, one of it is the shape is round and it is a gram-negative bacterium, which means it's not harmful for us, the human, and it is a marine bacterium, which means they live in a marine environment like ocean, and it's not capable of sporulation. Another characteristic of Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus, which is they have an unsheathed polar flagellum, which is their tail, for them to be motile in the marine environment, which is allowing them to be moving around the environment they live in. For microbiology, they are extremely high tolerance, which means they can live in environment that have high concentration of sodium chloride between 0.08 mole to 3.5 mole of sodium chloride. The sodium chloride content is very important for the bacteria because the concentration can influence both shape and flagellation of the cell. Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus, they exhibit enzymes which are catalase, oxidase, twinase, and lattitinase activities which enable them to degrade hydrophobic substance under an aerobic environment. The cells able to degrade both cyclic and non-cyclic alkenes, and since the petroleum hydrocarbon is often non-cyclic alkene, so the species able to degrade and use them as both carbon and energy source. The genetic concept of this bacteria is the Marinobacter species has the ability to form biofilms, which requires 3 groups of polysaccharides, which are biosynthesis group, 4 pillars gene cluster, and several housekeeping genes. And this species is closely related to Marinobacter aquaeolae that have the similarity of 99.4%. What is the application of this Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus? The ability of this bacteria to enhance the treatment and dominate the bacterial community suggests the commercial potential of this organism in bioaugmentation of aquaculture wastewater without the need of further bioaugmentation. This bacteria is very special and unique because they play an important role in bioremediation. The bacteria is specialist in degrading hydrocarbon, especially in alkanes. This distinctive ability allows the cell to be an ideal organism for treating recalcitrant pollutants. Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus also can assist in technology advancement in bioremediation by serving as an ideal model for studying hydrocarbon biodegradation, as it grows very well in the laboratory environment and it specializes in biodegradation. The reason why I adopt Marinobacter hydrocarbonoclasticus because I want to achieve the SDG number 14 out of 17 others agendas, because I believe SDG number 14, which is life below water, is about conserving and sustainably using the ocean, sea and marine resource, which means healthy oceans and sea are essential to human existence and life. How do the spill happen? The oil will spill into the rivers, bay and the ocean, and most often caused by accident involving tankers, barges, refineries, drilling rigs and storage facility. And also people being careless during work, equipment breaking down and natural disaster like hurricane that happened in the middle of the ocean. One of the well-known oil spill accident, which is the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. So what happened? On the 20th April of 2010, an explosion occurred on the Deepwater Horizon drilling platform in the Gulf of Mexico, which caused the rig to sink and started to catastrophic oil leak from the well. And there's also a movie about it, so it's better to check it out to know better about the accident. Then what happened after the oil spill? The oil will flow on the ocean and usually spread out rapidly across the water surface to form a thin layer that we call an oil slick. The oil spill can be harmful to the marine birds, mammals and also for the fish. And we can see the dramatic picture of the oil bird that have been affected by the oil spill. How do people usually clean up the oil spill? Where there's a towboat that will tow a collection of boom, allowing the oil to be concentrated within the boom, and then where it will be picked up by the skimmers to remove the oil layer that form in the surface of the ocean. So, how does the bacteria work? The bacteria will eat the oil with no further damage to the environment, and also the warm water will facilitate more biodegradation. This type of method of cleaning up oil is a type of bioremediation, and is also very sufficient and efficient to be used, this bacteria, rather than using the manpower to clean up the oil spill that costs money.